Hello students, welcome to your 8th maths class. I am Jyoti Sachdeva from SCJDAV School Haripura. Today we are doing our worksheet number 3 of chapter 7 algebraic identities. Worksheet 3 is based on the identity 3. What is the identity 3? In this identity 3 is a plus b, a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. When we multiply these two expressions, we get this. And this is also true for the reverse, means a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Let's see how to multiply these two expressions. Firstly, a multiply with the a minus b, then plus b multiply with the a minus b. Now when a multiply with the a, we get a square. Now a multiply with the b, we get ab, and outside the bracket there is a positive sign, then positive with the negative multiplied, then negative. Now there is a positive sign, therefore no internal signs will be changed. We got multiply of b is, that is ab, and multiply of b with minus b, that is the minus b square. Now this ab has negative sign and this ab have positive sign. Both are cancelled. It means we got a square minus b square. Like this we will get our third identity. Now see the worksheet. Question number 1, that is, find the following product using identity 3. The first one is 2x plus 7y and 2x minus 7y. On the place of a there is 2x and on the place of there is 7y. Same here, place of a is 2x and in the place of b there is 7y, but signs are changed. Now write the identity a plus b and a minus b. Here something a minus b come in the first and a plus b come in the second place, then there is no confusion. Same identity we can use. This is the identity. Now fill the value. A is equals to 2x and b is equals to 7y. Now when we fill in the right hand side, it means 2x square minus 7y square. Now we get 4x square and 7 square means 49y square. Now the second part, 5ab minus 8c and 5ab plus 8c. Now here ab is already given, that's why we take identity in x and y. x माइनस वाई, सेम जैसे मैंने लास्ट क्वेश्चन में बताया कि माइनस पहले प्लेस पे आ जाए और प्लस सेकंड प्लेस पे, तो हमें सेम आइडेंटिटी ही यूज करनी है, कंफ्यूज होने की जरूरत नहीं है. नाउ एक्स माइनस वाई, एक्स प्लस वाई, एंड इट वी गेट एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर. हियर वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स इज 5ab and value of y is 8c. Now when we fill the value in identity, we get 5ab square minus 8c square. 5 square means 25, a square, b square, and 8 square, that is the 64, c square. This is the answer of this part. Now let's see the third part. third part is 4p square plus q square फोर पी स्क्र माइनस क्यू स्क्र. ए और बी प्लेस पर वैल्यू सेम है, बस साइन चेंज है. नो यूज द आइडेंटिटी ए प्लस बी, ए माइनस बी is equals to a square minus b square. Value of a is 4p square and value of b is q square. Fill the value in the right hand side. It means 4p square on the place of a, it has square, and q square on the place of b, it has a square. Now 4 4 the 16 p power 4. p square है, उसका भी square power multiplied. Now q has same power, has power, it multiplies, then we get 4. This is the answer of the third part. Now fourth part is x by 3 minus y by 2, x by 3 plus y by 2. Now here a minus b and a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. Value of a is x by 3, value of b is y by 2. Fill the value in the right hand side. A square means x by 3 square minus value of b is y by 2 as a square. It means we get x square or 3 square means 9. Numerator square y square, that is the y square. 2 square, that is the 4. This is the answer of the fourth part. Now the fifth part, 0.1 m minus 0.2 n. 0.1 m plus 0.2 n. Similarly, we multiply these numbers using identity. A minus b, a plus b. We get a square minus b square. Value of a is 0.1 m. Value of b is 0.2 n. Now fill the value in the right hand side. 0.1 m square minus 0.2 n square. Now multiply this. 0.1 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 0.1 के साथ, we get 0.01 m square. 0.2 को करेंगे मल्टीप्लाई 0.2 के साथ, 0.04 n square. This answer is 0.01 m square minus 0.04 n square. This is the answer. Now see the last sixth part. A cube plus b cube. a क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब. ये तो ऑलरेडी क्यूब में है, बट हमें क्या लेना है, वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स और वाई. एक्स प्लस वाई, एक्स माइनस वाई, आइडेंटिटी बिकम एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर. वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स इज ए क्यूब and value of y is b cube. Fill the values in the right hand side. Means x square, it become a cube has power 2. x की जगह पर हमने a क्यूब लिखा और उसकी पावर क्या बन गई 2 जो स्क्वायर है, माइनस y के प्लेस पर क्या आएगा b क्यूब, और y का स्क्वायर है, इट मीन्स b क्यूब का क्या हो जाएगा स्क्वायर. क्लियर. Now power has a power, then they are multiplied. It means 3 2s are 6. A has a power 6 minus B power multiply with the powers, then 3 2s are 6, b has a power 6. This is the answer of this last part. Now the remaining next question we will do in the next video. Thank you.